goes, boys. Tell you what, I do like the power of this new bike. It's definitely not bad. My only complaint with it so far is the seat. The seat really sucks. It is hard. It doesn't really fit you real well. Let's get through this intersection. You have to like sit way forward, but then you have this big old gigantic fuel tank in your way. Other than that, ride's good. It's got a nice fat rear tire. She gets up and moves. Compare this to the 300NK, definitely more power. 300NK is more nimble. I do like the automatic turn signal shut off. It like shuts off after so long, and it's not very long at all. I find myself actually having to put it back on sometimes at like a stoplight or something. Other than that, it's not real bad at all. The bumps and stuff on this here unit, it soaks them up quite a bit better than the 300NK, but then again, I'm well over 300 pounds on a little 300NK. We did keep the 300NK. We didn't get rid of it because I like that bike. Actually, I feel like for cruising, this is going to be my cruiser bike, and we'll see if these shut off. This is going to be my cruiser bike, and that's going to be like my in-town runner, stuff like that. Because I really do like the 300NK. It's more nimble. It's lighter. This one feels more heavy up top. The 300NK, the weight is just uniform through the whole bike. So hopefully I'm not echoing in this helmet. Yeah, it's still on. I also feel like the 300NK is more snappier of a machine. It definitely, I don't know, more responsive, I guess. Not as much power as this, but definitely more responsive than this. This has got more power, but it's hard to explain. The 300NK is just, you snap the throttle, it's there. It'll pull the wheels off the ground. This one, not so much. It's got a smoother power delivery, where the 300NK has a snappier power delivery. Now this does have an electronic throttle versus that has cable throttle, so that might be the difference there. Maybe a tune would fix this. Not that it's bad or anything like that, but I guess if you're one of them people that like that snappy response, maybe a tune would fix it. I'm not real sure. Let's see if we can get going here. But this bike here it's okay. Comfortable wise, it's just the seat. It needs a little bit more padding. So I'm gonna find somebody that does upholstery and see if they can do something about the padding on the seat. It needs more. There's barely anything there, and I had a friend of mine sit on it who's a smaller person, just thinking maybe it's because I'm a bigger person. I had a friend that's way smaller than me sit on it, and he's like, yeah, needs way more padding. So even for a small, and I mean a small guy, he wasn't too fond of it. Now, he didn't ride it either, but he's gonna ride it probably tomorrow. I'm gonna let him ride it, get his thoughts on it. How many miles are on this? I don't even know how many miles are on it. It isn't that much. It might have 20 miles, 30 miles maybe, if that. Oh yeah, by the way, that turn signal did shut off. I don't know how long it takes, so I'm gonna have to try to time that. and see. So guys, if you're thinking about going and buying the 700 CLX, I got this one on sale for $6 grand. I couldn't say no. This is what I went after when I first got my 300 NK, and I just couldn't say no when I seen it on sale. So I went and I got it, and I like it.